What if one simple step could unlock more nutrition from the same nuts and seeds you already eat, while also protecting your digestion and mineral balance? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we are breaking down the science of soaking, how long each nut and seed actually needs, and why doing it wrong can cancel the benefits. Plants protect their seeds from being eaten too early by storing compounds such as phytic acid, tannins, and enzyme inhibitors. Phytic acid binds minerals, reducing their absorption in the gut. When nuts or seeds are soaked in water, they can significantly improve mineral bioavailability and reduce digestive stress, especially in people with sensitive guts. So, let's find out the correct soaking time for common nuts first. First up, almonds. Soaking time: 8 to 12 hours. Almond skins contain tannins and phytic acid. Soaking loosens the skin and improves mineral absorption. Peel after soaking for the best digestion. Eat 6 to 8 soaked almonds per day and discard the soaking water. Next, walnuts. Soaking time: 6 to 8 hours. Walnuts contain enzyme inhibitors that reduce protein digestion. Rinse well to remove bitterness and eat 2 to 4 soaked walnut halves daily. Number 3. Cashews. Soaking time: 2 to 4 hours. Cashews soften quickly, and over-soaking can cause fermentation. A small handful, about 6 to 8 pieces per day, is enough. Remember not to soak cashews overnight. They spoil easily. Next up, hazelnuts. Soaking time: 8 hours. Soaking improves fat digestion and reduces gut irritation. 6 to 10 soaked nuts per day is enough. Now let's find out the right soaking time for common seeds. First up, pumpkin seeds. Soaking time: 6 to 8 hours. Soaking reduces phytic acid and improves zinc absorption. Eat 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Lightly roast after soaking if digestion is weak. Next up, sunflower seeds. Soaking time: 6 to 8 hours. Soaking improves vitamin E and magnesium availability. 1 tablespoon per day is enough, and avoid the salted varieties. Next up, sesame seeds. Soaking time: 4 to 6 hours. Soaking them enhances calcium absorption. Ground after soaking for the best results. Whole seeds may still pass undigested. Next, chia seeds. Soaking time: 30 minutes to 2 hours. Soaking forms a gel that protects the gut and improves hydration. Eat 1 tablespoon soaked in water or milk alternative. Remember, never eat dry chia seeds. Next up, flax seeds. Soaking time: 2 to 4 hours. Soaking releases mucilage that supports gut health. Eat 1 tablespoon of soaked or freshly ground. Whole dry flax seeds are poorly absorbed, so it's best to avoid them. Now here are some important soaking tips. Use clean drinking water at room temperature. Add enough water to fully submerge the nuts or seeds. Optionally add a pinch of salt or lemon juice to improve enzyme activation. After soaking, rinse thoroughly and discard the soaking water except for chia. For people with weak digestion, lightly drying or roasting soaked nuts improves tolerance. Individuals with kidney stones should moderate the intake of high oxalate nuts like almonds. Always store soaked nuts in the refrigerator and consume within 24 to 48 hours. To learn about the best time to eat seeds and nuts, watch our video given in the pinned comment. Remember that soaking is not about eating more nuts and seeds. It is about eating them smarter. Small changes, backed by science, can make a meaningful difference in long-term health. If you found this explanation helpful, explore our other science-based nutrition guides and subscribe to the Mindhunters for more evidence and clarity-based education. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.